In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a subscribed shared calendar from Google Calendar. Whether you no longer need access to a particular shared calendar or simply want to declutter your view, removing a subscribed calendar is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step, ensuring you can do this smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open up Google Calendar on your preferred web browser. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com. Once you're on the main page, you'll see your calendar dashboard. This dashboard includes your personal calendars, shared calendars, and any other types you're subscribed to. Now, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you will see a section labeled Other Calendars. This section lists all calendars you're subscribed to but don't personally own. Identify the specific calendar you wish to unsubscribe from within this Other Calendars section. If you have many calendars listed, you might need to scroll a bit to find the one you're looking to remove. Once you've spotted it, hover your cursor over the calendar's name. Doing this should make a small icon with 3 vertical dots appear next to the calendar name. This is the options icon, so go ahead and click on it. When you click on these 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu offers several different options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to select Settings. Click on Settings and it will take you to a new page dedicated to the settings of the calendar you've selected. On this new page, you'll notice a variety of options available. Enjoy a brief glance, but for now, let's stick to our task. You'll need to scroll down until you find the section titled Remove Calendar. In this section, you're going to look for the option that says Unsubscribe. Clicking unsubscribe is your cue to Google that you want to remove this calendar from your list. After clicking, you may see a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. This prompt acts as a safeguard to ensure important data isn't lost by accident. Confirm your choice and just like that, the calendar will be removed. And there you go, you've successfully unsubscribed from a shared calendar on Google Calendar. By following these simple steps, you can keep your calendar view organized and tailored to your needs. Repeat this process anytime you need to remove additional calendars. We hope this guide made the process clear and simple for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.